up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae. I create faith-filled videos for women like you who are in transition and feel stuck where you are and want to break free so that you can walk into all that God is calling you to be. If you feel like this is the space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? When you going to stop scrolling, looking at other people's lives and what they're doing and the homes that they're building and the businesses that they're starting and all the accomplishments that they're doing? When you going to stop scrolling and do that for yourself? When are you going to put that energy into yourself? You wrote the vision. You wrote out the vision, but now when are you going to execute it? Oh my gosh. When are you going to execute it? You wrote out the plan. You're having the dreams. God is allowing you to dream. God is allowing you to see things. God is giving you a glimpse into your future. But are you working towards it? Are you doing the necessary steps that it's going to take for you to get there? No matter what it takes, you got to tell yourself, no matter what it takes, I'm going to get there. No matter what it takes, I know I may have to do some things that makes me uncomfortable. I know I might have to stay up a little late or wake up a little early, but how bad do I want it? If I want to change my life and change where I am and change the trajectory of where I am from being stuck to now being free, there are some things that I have to do. There are some decisions that I'm going to have to make. There are some things that I am going to have to change. We have to be real with ourselves and say, okay, the way that I'm doing it right now, the way that I am doing this right now, I am not going to get there like this. I am not going to get to the places that I desire like this. I have to do the work. I have to put in the work. I just can't say a thing and not do it. I know it sounds good when I say it. I know it even looks good when I write it on paper. But now it's time for me to execute. Now it's time for me to get up from that dry place, right? Let's be real. Get up from that dry place. Get up from that place that tries to keep us stuck and bound. When you get up and you start to do a thing and then here comes Monday and it's like, oh, I can't do it. I don't feel like it. It's raining outside. My body hurt. My back hurt. I'll get back to it on next Monday. We have to convince ourselves, you have to convince yourself that this is something that you can do no matter what it takes, no matter the sacrifices, because there's going to be some sacrifices. There's going to be some challenges that may arise. There are going to be some hard days. There are going to be some days where you don't understand and you're trying to figure out. There are going to be some times where you say, you know what? But guess what? You have to stick to what you believe in. Stick to what you believe in. If nobody else believes in your vision, you have to believe in you. You have to remember the visions and the dreams that God gave you. You have to remember the seed that God planted in you. Remember, I always speak on the seed. The seed is so important. God placed the seed on the inside of each and every one of us. What are you going to do with the seed that God has planted? Oh my gosh. You got to think of it as like you're in the garden. You got to think of it as God placing you in the garden. If God planted a seed, now it's time to water that seed. Now it's time to nourish that seed. Now it's time to take care of that seed so it can grow up, so it can spring up all into what it needs to be. But if we're just letting the seed fall dormant, and we're just not even nurturing the seed, if we're not watering the seed, we're not taking care of the seed, how can we expect any fruit? How can we expect anything good to come from the seed that we are not taking care of, that we are not working on, that we are not tilling? You know when they say till the ground, how can we expect anything to come out of it and we're not putting anything in it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how bad do you want it? Ask yourself. Oh my gosh, I know sometimes it's easier said than done. You start a thing, but then you can't finish. You pick it up, but then you put it back down. You pick it up, but then you put it to the side. You pick it up, but then life happens. You pick it up, but then sickness arises. You pick it up, but then your bills is acting strange. You pick it up, and then something is always trust me, I know. Trust me, I get it. But we have to be consistent in the thing that we know that God gave us. We have to be consistent and work no matter what. If we gotta stay up a little bit longer, stay up a little bit longer. If we gotta get up a little bit early, get up a little bit early. But we have to stay consistent. We have to keep working. We have to keep striving. And I know for some of us, we've been saying, but I've been working for so long. I've been working for so long and I'm just tired. I've been working for so long and I'm just tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. When is it going to be my turn to just rest? When is it going to be my turn to just sit back? And God is watching you. God is looking at you. God is speaking to you, saying, just do the work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We all will have a time where we can rest. Once you'll feel so much better once you put in that work, knowing, okay, now I could take a vacation. Now I could put my feet up on some sandy beaches and sip some lemonade, and you'll feel good about it. You'll feel good about your rest because you worked. You'll feel good about your rest because you know you put in the work. You'll feel good when it's time to just sit back because you knew you took the necessary steps to see your visions come into fruition. So now when it's time to rest, you feel good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's peace in your rest. There's joy in your rest because you worked. You worked. You didn't give up. You didn't throw in the towel. You didn't just throw it off to the wayside. You didn't just throw it off to the wayside. How bad do you want it? You've been seeing everybody else get it. You've been seeing everybody else get those degrees and start those businesses and build those homes and go into their dream careers. You've been seeing everything. You've been scrolling, watching every accomplishment. You're even thinking, God, when is it my turn? But when is the last time that you executed on your dream? When was the last time that you took another step towards your vision? When was the last time that you pushed yourself just a little bit harder? Oh my gosh. When was the last time that you didn't need nobody else to cheer you on? You didn't need nobody to tell you, girl, you're doing a good job. You didn't need to hear it from anybody. But you said, this right here, this is personal. This is personal and my future depends on it. This is personal and my future depends on it. So no matter what it takes, I'm going to work towards it. No matter what it takes, I'm going to keep working. Oh my gosh. When it's a good day, I'm going to keep working. When it's a bad day, I'm going to keep working. When I'm tired, I'm going to keep working because I believe in the dreams and the visions that God gave me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wanted to make this video to just encourage you. Please don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't stay stuck. It's time for us to break free and be all that God is creating us to be. But a part of that, we got to put in the work. We got to put in the work. So the question today is, how bad do you want it? Let me know down in the comment section below that you're going to keep working. You're going to keep pushing. You're going to keep striving towards those goals. I love y'all so much. Keep subscribing, y'all. Send this to all your homegirls, your aunties, your aunties, everybody you know. I love y'all. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'll see you on the next video.